Are you looking for a natural way to cleanse your blood and improve circulation? So I'm going to show you a powerful drink that will help to support blood purification and reduce the risk of blood clotting. So to make this remedy, I'll be making use of 2 lemons. You can decide to use organic lemon. Please make sure that you wash the lemon properly to avoid contaminating the drink. So I'm going to use bicarbonate soda. So I'll be using the bicarbonate soda to scrub the lemon to remove any contamination. You can decide to soak it with bicarbonate soda and leave it to sit for about 15 minutes. Then you can rinse and use. Need to take this cleansing drink warm as a first drink in the morning or as a last drink in the night. This will help to improve circulation, detoxify your blood, lower inflammation, and it is also good for your heart health.